The Flygt pumping solution combines the superior functionality of N technology, premium efficiency motors, and intelligent controls to offer the ultimate in efficient, clog-free pumping. This is how the N-impeller mechanical self-cleaning technology works. After further development, the adaptive N was launched for the smallest range of the N pumps. If a large object enters the pump, the impeller will move upwards and let it pass through. This N technology ensures sustained high operating efficiency of the pump.
We are now going to demonstrate the clog-free performance of this 1.5 kilowatt N3085 adaptive pump. This pump is equipped with exactly the same hydraulics as you see here.
To save energy, the pump is running at the best efficiency point, 19 litres per second. Now we will show how we can sustain that efficiency even when many objects are passed through the pump.
Plastic bag. Diaper. Plastic bottle. Five of these. This is where many pumps get into trouble. Eight of these. T-shirt.
To eliminate the risk of unplanned service callouts, we will show how to add intelligence to this N pump. And that intelligence is the Flygt Smart Run. Smart Run's patented algorithm saves energy and sustains high efficiency over time. Combining the N pump with Smart Run also reduces energy consumption by up to 50% when switching from a conventional hydraulic. Let's see how it guarantees clog-free pumping.
Large towel.
Smart Run senses if there is a risk of blockage and automatically stops the pump. Next, the pump initiates a cleaning sequence that repeatedly changes the rotation direction of the impeller with high torque until the object has passed. With Flygt you can optimize your wastewater pump station, ensuring the highest level of reliability and efficiency. Backed by more than 100 years of Xylem wastewater pumping experience, Flygt is the only solution to truly guarantee clog-free pumping.